श्री राग महला तीजा कर पहला अष्टपदियाँ एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद। गुरमुख कृपा करे भगत की जय, बिन गुर भगत ना होए। आपे आप मिलाए भूजै, ता निर्मल होवे कोय। हर जियो सच्चा सच्ची बाणी, शब्द मिलावा होए। It is only through the Guru's grace that one practices devotion, becomes Gurmukh. Without the Guru, there is no devotional worship. One who merges his own self with Vaheguru understands and gets the realization, and hence becomes pure and immaculate. The dear God is true, and the true is the word of his Bani. Through this word of the Shabad, unison with Vaheguru is attained. पाई रे भगत हीण काहे जग आया, पूरे गुर की सेव न कीनी, बिरथा जन्म गवाया। रहाओ O brother, why do such a person come to this world who has no devotion at all? They have not served the perfect Guru, and they have wasted all their lives in vain without any purpose. Pause. आपे हर जग जीवन दाता, आपे बख्श मिलाए। जी जंत ए क्या विचारे, क्या को आँख सुनाए। गुरमुख आपे दे वडियाई, आपे सेव कराए। The God himself is the giver of life. He himself forgives, and he himself unites us with him. What are these poor beings and creatures? What can they speak or say? The Vaheguru himself grants the glory to the Gurmukhs, and he joins them to his service. देख कुटुंब मोह लोभाना, चलदिया नाल न जाए। सतगुर सेव गुण निधान पाया, तिसकी कीम न पाए। प्रभु सखा हर जियो मेरा, अंते हुए सखाए। The self-willed people remain attached with their family. They are lured away by emotional attachment. But when they leave, no one goes with them. By serving the true Guru, I have found the treasure of all virtues, and now its value cannot be estimated. The dear God Vaheguru is my best friend. In the end, he shall be my companion and support. पेड़ै जग जीवन दाता, मन मुख पत गवाई। बिन सतगुर को मग न जाने, अंधे ठौर न काई। हर सुख दाता मन नहीं वसया, अंत गया पछताई। In this world, which is regarded as parents' home for soul pride, the God benefactor bestows all the gifts, but still the self-will manmukhs have not realized and hence lost their honor. Without the true Guru, no one knows the right path. The blind people find no place of rest. If the God, the giver of peace, does not dwell within the inner self, then one departs hearts with regret in the end. पेड़े जग जीवन दाता गुरमत मन वसाया अन दिन भगत कराई दिन राती हो मैं मोह चुकाया जिस से राता तैसो होवे सच्चे सच समाया. In this world of my parents' home, through the Guru's teachings, I have cultivated within my mind the great giver, the life of this world. Now, day and night, I perform the devotional worship, and all my ego and emotional attachments are eradicated, attuned to Vaheguru. I've become like him, truly absorbed in the True One. आपे नदर करे पाउलाए गुर शब्दी विचार सत गुर सेविय सहज उपजय हो मैं तृष्णा मार. हर गुण दाता साध मन वसै सच रखिया उर तार. By bestowing His glance of grace, He gives us His love, and we contemplate on the word of Guru's Shabad. Serving the true Guru, one finds the bliss, the eternal bliss and intuitive peace within, and all the ego and desires are eradicated. The Vaheguru, the giver of all the gifts and excellence, dwells forever within the minds of those who keep truth and Nam enshrined within their hearts. प्रभु मेरा सदा निर्मला मन निर्मल पाया जाए नाम निधान हर मन वसै हो मैं दुख सब जाए सतगुरु शब्द सुनाया हो सद्बल हारे जाओ. My Vaheguru is forever immaculate and pure. With the pure mind only He can be found. If the treasure of the name, the Vaheguru, abides within the inner self, all the egoism and sufferings are totally eliminated. The true Guru has instructed me in the word of the Shabad, and I am forever sacrificed to Him. आपने मन चित्त कहे कहाए बिन गुर आप न जाए हर जियो भगत वछल सुखदाता कर कृपा मन वसाई नानक शोभा सुरत दे प्रभु आपे गुरमुख दे वड्याई. One may say or announce anything within their own conscious mind, but without Guru's guidance, this stage of selflessness is never achieved and egoism is never eradicated. The dear God is the lover of His devotees, and He is the giver of peace. By His grace, He abides within the mind. O Nanak, the Vaheguru alone bestows on the Guru-minded people the knowledge of emancipation from worldly attachments and the strength to sing His praises through true name, as He is the harbinger of peace